My brother got married. April. My brother got married in April. I like getting up early. The morning. I like getting up early in the morning. My birthday is January 8th. My birthday is on January 8th. There is a meeting. 10 p.m. There is a meeting at 10 p.m. My uncle lives. New York. My uncle lives in New York. They often go to beach. Summer. They often go to beach in summer. Did we go home? A plane? Did we go home on a plane? The company started 1986. The company started in 1986. Robert isn't here. The moment. Robert isn't here at the moment. My father listens to the news. The radio. My father listens to the news on the radio. Emily was born. France. Emily was born in France. What are you doing? The weekend? What are you doing on the weekend, or at the weekend? I can't go to the party. Monday evening. I can't go to the party on Monday evening. Who is picking you up? The airport? Who is picking you up at the airport? I studied hard. University. I studied hard at university. I like to look at the stars. Night. I like to look at the stars at night. There is a pharmacy. The 5th Street. There is a pharmacy on the 5th Street. There were a lot of people. The concert. There were a lot of people at the concert. We're having a big party. New Year's Day. We're having a big party on New Year's Day. There are many stores. The mall. There are many stores in the mall. He started his new job. Friday. He started his new job on Friday. The store closes. 11 o'clock. The store closes at 11 o'clock. Don't sit. The gross. It's wet. Don't sit on the gross. It's wet. We walked around the lake. Sunset. We walked around the lake at sunset. I'll be back. An hour. I'll be back in an hour. Are you going swimming? Lunchtime? Are you going swimming at lunchtime? They come here. The subway. They come here on the subway. The kids are playing. The garden. The kids are playing in the garden. Is the flight to Los Angeles? Time? Is the flight to Los Angeles on time? I dropped my cup. The floor. I dropped my cup on the floor. How many correct answers do you have? Comment below.